Apple TV 4K is now built with the A12 Bionic, bringing a new level of performance that will be a massive upgrade to your TV. And with the A12 Bionic, the new Apple TV 4K can now play HDR and high frame rate. With our new color balance feature, Apple TV will work with your iPhone and its advanced sensors to improve your TV's picture quality. Your iPhone uses its camera and proximity sensor to guide you to an on-screen target. Color measurements start automatically. Apple TV uses the light sensor in your iPhone to compare your TV's color balance to the industry standard specifications used by cinematographers worldwide. Using this data, Apple TV will then automatically tailor its video output to compensate for any inaccuracies in your TV's picture settings. The results can be dramatic, with more natural colors and improved contrast, making your TV look better than ever. Of course, the way you interact with Apple TV is with the Siri Remote. It starts with a new one-piece aluminum design that fits perfectly in your hand. We also have a brand new ClickPad with 5-way navigation for better accuracy, and the entire ClickPad is touch-enabled, preserving the fast directional swipes users love. We've given it a new circular gesture that turns it into a jaw control. It'll be available for $179 with 32 gigabytes or $199 with double the storage capacity. You can order them on April 30th, and they'll be available in the second half of May.